Hello everyone, welcome to a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this honeycomb puff stitch. So this is done by using the puff stitches, or it can be also done by using the bobble stitch. Okay, so we need to crochet a multiple of 3 as foundation chain. If you're going for a foundation chain and then a row of single crochets, you can add a multiple of 3 and plus 1 as the turning chain for the single crochet. Okay, so this is a very straightforward stitch. There is nothing much to this. You just have to make bobble stitches in a particular pattern so that it looks like a honeycomb. So here I have a multiple of 3, and now I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. The very first stitch is going to be a single crochet, and now we're going to start making the bobble stitch. That is, you have to make 5 incomplete double crochet stitches. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now you're going to make 1 single crochet to create the bobble and 1 more single crochet. Okay, now again into the next one we are going to make the bobble stitch, that is 5 incomplete double crochets. And 5. And in the next 2 stitches again we are making single crochet. Again in the next one we are making the bobble stitch. And in the next 2 stitches we'll be making a single crochet. Okay, now this marks the very first row of the bobble stitch. Now we are going to start off with 1 single crochet, and in the next one we'll be making the so this row is a row of single crochet stitches where you'll be crocheting 1 single crochet into each of the stitches. Make sure to crochet on the V of the bobble stitch and not into the bobble stitch. So if you slightly turn your work, you will find the V stitch right here. Okay, so this is the V stitch of the bobble stitch. Let me show that closer. Okay, so you're not supposed to go into this. You're supposed to pick up those 2 loops on top and make 1 single crochet. Okay, so now the next row again I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and we are going to start off with a bobble stitch. So basically we are creating an interlaced bobble stitch which is going to form the honeycomb pattern. So each of your bobble stitch should be placed in between the 2 bobble stitches of the previous row. So again 1 more single crochet, and we are going to make the next bobble stitch. again 2 single crochets and then the next bobble stitch. As you can see, it is forming an interlaced pattern, and once you crochet the consecutive rows, you're going to end up with a pattern like this. Do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.